Hey, this is Ian here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rejoin the Ideas Engine. That means that you use the Ideas Engine as part of the COVID-19 Peer Hub, and that you are using the same email address that you used as part of the COVID-19 Peer Hub, and you're using that for the movement for IA 2030. And finally, that you have lost or forgotten the password that you used in 2020 for the COVID-19 Peer Hub. If you still have the password, you can follow the link below and you can log in as before. If you're using a different email address, we will invite you normally. And in these cases, you need to look at the separate tutorial, how do I join the Ideas Engine as a new user? The other thing I need to mention is that you need to, if you possibly can, get the most up-to-date browser. The Ideas Engine will no longer work with Internet Explorer, so you may need to use Microsoft Edge or Chrome or another up-to-date browser. So during the tutorial, I'm going to look at how you request a new password using the link that's on the screen, how you set up a new password, accept the terms and conditions, and because your data will still be stored in the Ideas Engine, if you've changed, for example, the country that you work in or the level of the system that you're working at, how you can change these things in your profile. By following the blue link, I've come to the login page, and rather than entering my email address and password, I'm going to click on the Forgotten Your Password link at the bottom, and this asks me to enter my email. And then I can press the Reset My Password option below. So in my email, I've received an email giving me a link in which I can change my password. That's this blue link here. Notice this is in French. It's because I last used this account with a French setting. If you can't find that email, do check in your junk or your spam folders. It will be coming from noreply@wazoku.com, this address in the top left-hand corner. Irrespective of the language, you click on this blue link here, and it takes me to a page where I have the opportunity to re-enter a password. It needs to be of 8 characters or more. Just confirm that. And I can click on Change Password. This brings me back to the login screen. And I can enter that password. I should be able to log in now. So now that I'm in, you'll notice that you will have to reconfirm your agreement to the terms and conditions for the Ideas Engine. These are exactly the same as you signed up to last time we used the Ideas Engine, but again, they talk about how we will use your data and the behavior expected from users of the platform. Okay, and again, you have to scroll right to the bottom, and then you can click on the Agree button. Finally, here we are at the home page of Immunisation Agenda 2030. If you scroll down, you'll see the instructions for the exercise. These are described in the tutorial, How Do I Share an Idea or Practice, if that's not clear to you. What I did want to show to finalise this tutorial is maybe your job has changed, maybe your role, maybe the country you're operating in, so that other participants can see this. If you click on this grey icon in the top right-hand corner, go to Profile, and then go to Settings, you have the opportunity here to change your role, so who you're working for, the level of the health system you're working at, and the country you're working in. So please keep these up to date. It helps other users of the site to navigate and see who's sharing all these ideas and practices. Thank you very much.